It's your boy Michael Simmons, freestyle. Alright, I'm going acapella. Young Kush. Alright, let's get it. Alright. I ain't never been broke. I get paid. I got a life and I'm trying to get it made. I get these niggas dizzy like they walking in a maze. They really give a fuck, yeah, nigga, in the days. I'm so fucked up, a nigga so gone. I wish my daddy was here, but that nigga gone. Shout out to the niggas that ain't at home. And I'ma do this for my niggas that's gone. I'm so fucked up, middle finger up, and I don't really give a fuck. Shut the fuck up, nigga, fuck the fans, nigga, like that. And I don't give a fuck, cause I don't like the ass, man. Since I was little, my mama raised me to hate the cops, and all I ever know, nigga, is I hate the cops. Nigga, fuck the feds, nigga, fuck the law, and I don't give a fuck. Walking around with big balls, a nigga just try to make it, a nigga try to make a dream, and I don't really give a fuck. Nigga sipping on the lean, nigga smoking on the green, gotta keep his eyes low, don't really give a fuck. Run from the popo, nigga, they awesome hoes, ain't never about this shit, always trying to take a nigga to jail, fuck this shit. I'm trying to get out, I'm trying to be rich, I'm trying to grow older, I'm trying to have some kids, I'm trying to buy my mama a house and a car, I'm trying to be higher than the fucking stars. A nigga got the draw, a nigga got the kush, and I don't really give a fuck. Hell yeah, I'ma push, I push a pound of the perp, and I don't give a fuck. I got niggas that put in work, and nigga talking shit, I made your girl pussy squirt, and I be like, oh damn, that it hurt, and I be like, oh shawty, let me get it in, and yeah, no, hell yeah, I'm a fucking win, cause I'm a fucking winner. I never take a loss, because everybody knows I'm the fucking boss. Nigga, what the fuck do you wanna fucking do? I'm with my realest nigga, so what you wanna do? Nigga, look in my eyes, and you don't see no fear, and all I ever do, nigga, is drink a beer. Now, really, I'm just a smoker and don't give a fuck. Hell yeah, I'm a choker, and if you ain't choking, that mean it ain't no good. So take that motherfucking shit back to the woods. You found some grass, but nah, niggas grab some ass, and I don't give a fuck, cause nigga, hell yeah, I'm fast. A nigga freestyling, yeah, acapella, and I don't give a fuck, cause nigga, I'm so wetter, a nigga so weller, a nigga so gutter, and nigga, I'll put that there on my mother, yeah, my uncle, yeah, that's my brother, and I don't give a fuck. Hell yeah, I love him, cause I'm my fucking brother, nigga, talking all that shit, I don't really give a fuck. You can get the full clip, nigga, nah, I ain't stingy. Battle, nigga, I ain't stingy. My bullets, you can have them. I'm so gone. A nigga ain't at home. A nigga just chillin', drinking on some Patron. Nigga got a little giant. Everybody say yeah. Don't give a fuck, cause no, I'm not a player. I always want love. A nigga gotta have it, but I don't give a fuck. Yeah, I gotta keep a magnum. But what the fuck, nigga, I don't really. Damn, I messed up. Well, fuck that shit, nigga. Subscribe to my shit, young cut. I bet.